Here are 3 ways you can communicate your unique value on LinkedIn. The first is your text. Everything you write on your LinkedIn profile needs to be consistent. You need to choose a tone. You need to choose a format and how you want to come across to people. You want to be consistent through all the different sections of your profile, right from your headline through your about section, through your roles and through your projects and other areas that people will want to read. Your text is really important. Believe it or not, people still read even in this day and age. So what you write will be very important. The second way to communicate your unique brand is through your images. Now that starts with the banner right at the very top of your LinkedIn profile. And very soon, if not already, these will be self-scrolling multiple image banners, which will give you so much more scope to really show your unique brand. But your profile photo is important too, and so are the images that you put in your featured section, your services section, and to break up the roles in your experience area. If you can, your images should be as consistent as your text, maybe even branded so they all look like you and communicate your unique brand. The third way to get your unique brand across on your LinkedIn profile is by video. Make no mistake, video is the most important format for just about anything on LinkedIn at the moment. It's important on our profiles, it's important in our direct messaging, and it's important in our content. So use videos wherever you can. And if you're not really terribly comfortable with video, practice. Practice, practice, practice. And look, nobody's expecting you to be perfect, but you do need to be you. You need to be authentically you. So, 3 ways that you can communicate your unique brand on your LinkedIn profile.